Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to disable auto rotate on any iPhone. Be sure, friends, to put likes under this video. Please write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get down to our topic. If you're concerned about auto rotate when you go to, for example, YouTube or some website, and you accidentally turn your phone upside down, the auto rotate turns on. For many people, it can somehow knock you down and interfere with your work, so I will show you how you can easily turn it off. To do this, you'll need to swipe the screen on the right side of your iPhone, where you will need to find the screen rotation option. When it is enabled, it looks like this. To disable it, you just need to tap on it. If you don't see this option in your control center, then tap the plus sign on the top left. Add. And you should be able to find the screen rotation option. There are times when this option is enabled on your phone, but you may have accidentally deleted or some glitch occurred, and this option was removed. When you find it, you'll need to tap it to add it. And then you'll come back to a menu like this. And you'll just need to click on it to turn it to red, so you can turn that off. The next time you log on to a website or watch a YouTube video and flip your iPhone, the video or information on the website will not rotate. This is a quick and easy method, friends. You can turn off the automatic. Be sure, friends, write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye everyone.